Hey guys, welcome to the midnight cooking. This is what we call midnight cooking. After work. You know, right now I'm just cooking a. Put this on the side. See what we could do. Whoa! 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 Not bad, not bad, not bad. Still got the moves, man. Still got the moves. Cook them chorizo. It's a Spanish chorizo. I didn't see you what I was doing or cooking it or cutting it because it takes time to cut and show you. I just cut it yesterday and put it in a refrigerator and that's it. Look at that. Chorizo with red onion, concassio tomato, rough cutting it a little bit. And then, oh yeah, tomato, of course. The green and the red tomato. All right, let's see our basmati rice here. Woo, nice. Look at that. Woo. All right, let's put it on there. And then it's on the low heat for now. Let me put this Tupperware in there. Oh, whew. It's almost got a tip back. All right, let's put this. Got a lot of Tupperware. Woo. My stepdaughter is like, she collects Tupperware. I don't know why. I'll put this Tupperware right here. Right here. You get a lot of food that we don't even eat, Sometimes it expires, We don't, I don't eat here at home, but I cook and blog it. All right, look at that. That's good, man. Let it cook down, chorizo. Then I'm gonna have a basmati on top of my chorizo. Whew. That's gonna be quick. Yeah. I wanna make sure it's good. All right, cook down. Oh my God, this is so good. All right, you wanna do it again? All right, we wanna do it again. Let's do this a little exhibition. Whoa! 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 How high is that there? Whoa! Whoa! Not bad, not bad. Not bad. All right. All right, let's check again. That's done. All right. And then let me see the basmati. Woo! That is done, man. That's done, guys. It's done. I'm ready to eat. Turn that off. turn this off, and that's it. Cabinet is all closed. All right. We just got too much dishes, and we don't even use it, you know. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Midnight cooking, you know. Midnight cooking. All right.